I'm Fiona Davies. I am the People and Safety Services Manager at GCVS. Within the People and Safety Services team, we are quite a small team. We work very closely with one another. We have myself as the manager of the service. We then have HR advisors who are there to guide and support the organisations that we work with. We have an HR assistant, and we also have our health and safety advisor. So as a customer, you would get access to the helpline that you can phone, and that is shared across the team so that there's always someone there who you can talk to. That can be sometimes people phoning because there is a crisis situation and they're needing immediate help, or it might be people phoning just for a sounding board, just to get advice, or just even to mull over or discuss a way forward or a decision that they're trying to make, and we will try and help and guide them as best we can. We also have an email box, so customers can email us with inquiries. Often they will email over copies of documents that they want to send out to their staff member, or copies of their existing policies that they're wanting us to review. We also run a training programme, so most weeks there will be some form of HR or health and safety training that will be taking place. Out with that, within a typical week, we are very focused on our continuous professional development, so making sure that we as a team are up to date with our employment law and our health and safety legislation, making sure that we're up to date with any changes in employment law that's came about from recent cases, and trying to determine the best way to filter that information out to our customers so that we can be the people navigating those situations and then breaking it down in a way that customers can then understand. A typical customer, I would say, is a small organisation who's not got the resources or the funds to have their own internal HR person. Quite often in these small charities, there is one person who maybe does admin and finance and a bit of HR, maybe doesn't have the skills and knowledge and experience around HR and health and safety issues. So we are there as a support service and advice service for them to call on us as the experts if they don't have it in-house. Both the HR advice service and the health and safety advice service come with access to our website, where there is a resource bank of documents that you can access. So within that resource bank, there will be template policies that you can then take and personalise to your organisation, and we can support you with doing that. There is then guidance documents to go alongside those policies, and then there is template documents. So that might be, for example, if it's an absence issue that you're dealing with, on a resource bank you can get access to an absence policy, but then you can also get access to template letters to send letters out to your employee to help manage that absence process. And again, we're at the end of the phone to be able to call us to ask how to implement those policies and how to use those templates appropriately. We want to help you protect your organisation. We want to help you get the most out of the staff that you've got. We want you to be able to be a good employer, and we want the voluntary sector to be known as being a good employer. And that is what our overall aim is to do, is to work alongside you in a partnership, to hold your hand throughout all those tricky situations so that you can be the best employer with the best staff.